Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to actually get a free trial on CapCut. And no, I'm not talking about just signing up and hoping for the best. I'm talking about how to get the full free trial so you can actually make the most of the features. So first things first, CapCut is an amazing video editing app and the free trial unlocks a whole lot of premium features, so you definitely want to grab it. But here's the catch. CapCut's free trial is typically available for only a limited time to new users. So if you've already used it in the past, you might not be eligible for another free trial. But don't worry, there's still a way to get access if you're a new user or haven't used the trial before. So what you need to do, if you haven't already, simply go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download CapCut. But if you're on PC, you can also go to the CapCut website and download it from there. Then simply open up CapCut and sign up for an account. So you generally need to enter your email or log in via a social media account like Facebook, Google or Apple. And after you sign up, simply head over to the settings or the premium section. And right there generally should be an option for a free trial. So you pretty much want to click on that to gain access to the premium features. So if you don't see it right away, it might be that they've temporarily removed it from your region. So some countries or regions might actually not be able to access the free trial due to local restrictions or platform changes. So if you don't see the free trial offer after following all these steps, it might be possible that your country is not eligible. So as you can see, I don't actually have it here, but depending on your region, you might actually have it. And once you do find it, CapCut will typically ask for your payment information to start the free trial. And don't worry, you won't be charged until the trial period ends, unless of course you forget to cancel your subscription. So make sure not to do that. So they usually offer about 7 days free to try everything. And once your free trial is activated, you will then be able to access all the premium features CapCut has to offer. But one thing you could also try is try using a VPN, which can sometimes help you get around this. So that's really how to get a free trial on CapCut. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.